Bonjour, monsieur. Mwaramutse. Habari zenu. My name is, as you might have heard, my name is Emmanuel Kakuyu. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Tanzania Truck Owners Association, an organization that is also organizing, but not only organizing, but also sponsoring this very august occasion. We are truly honored to partner TCCIA on the part of Tanzania, to partner TanTrade from Tanzania also, to partner 361 Degrees, all from Tanzania, but also very much honored to partner the Private Sector Foundation of Rwanda. We truly are thankful. Now, Tanzania Truck Owners Association is a membership-based organization which has about 700 corporate and individual members, who owns close to about 35,000 trucks, which ply between Tanzania and Rwanda. But not only Tanzania and Rwanda, they also ply between Dar es Salaam Port and most landlocked countries bordering Tanzania. So in perspective, you can see the potential for business, the potential for expansion of bilateral relations, but also you can see how these two countries can partner for the betterment and benefit of the two countries. The initiative that was taken by our two dear presidents, President Kagame of Rwanda and President Dr. Pombe Magufuli of Tanzania, to initiate the strengthening of bilateral ties and business relations between these two countries, are the things that pushed us and motivated us as an association and an organization to partner these other groups in sponsoring and organizing this event. To also put you in perspective, of all the maritime business that is conducted by Rwanda, 80% passes through Dar es Salaam Port. And that is as far as imports and exports are concerned. 80% of the business passes through Dar es Salaam Port. Out of the 80% that passes through Dar es Salaam Port, our members, who, as I've said, total to about 700, transport these goods. 95% of the goods belonging to Rwanda, which passes Dar es Salaam Port, are carried by our members. So you can see the close relationship and partnership that Tanzania Truck Owners Association has with businesses which are in Rwanda. So we value this partnership. We know it's a partnership that can be nurtured, and it's a partnership that can be developed for the benefit of our two people in these two countries. I wish also to mention that as of August 2015, and I'm trying to mention this to show the improvement that the authorities, or more to speak, the Dar es Salaam Port, have done to increase efficiency at the Dar es Salaam Port, something which will encourage and motivate businesses from Rwanda to use Dar es Salaam Port. Dwell time at Dar es Salaam Port has reduced from 20 days to 9 days, which is something that I'm sure businesses here would love to hear. I'm not saying we don't have challenges at Dar es Salaam Port. Challenges are there, but challenges are there to be tackled and addressed. We as partners of Dar es Salaam Port, we participate in so many endeavors and so many engagements to improve the Dar es Salaam Port, so that it becomes more and more attractive to businesses like the ones which are in Rwanda. I've said about 80% of the transactions, maritime transactions between Tanzania and Rwanda passes through Dar es Salaam port, but I don't see the reason why we should go to, I don't see the reason why we shouldn't go to 100% business through Dar es Salaam port. There are so many benefits in using Dar es Salaam port. There are also so many benefits in using trucks which belong to our members. Number one, the distance between Dar es Salaam and major towns in Rwanda is shorter than the distance between Rwanda and Durban, is shorter than the distance between Rwanda and Cape Town, between Rwanda and Beira, between Rwanda and Mombasa. So we encourage business people to use Dar es Salaam because it has so many advantages, but also if businesses in Rwanda use trucks that belong to members of Tanzania Truck Owners Association, then at least they are assured of security and safety of their goods, because when there are problems, when there are challenges, at least they know where to go. At least they know that if we have problems, it's a call away between us and the Emmanuel to tell him that, you know, we have lost our shipment or we have this problem, so please try and see if you can trace your members.